I don't know, I think it's tight.
Oh, my screwdriver.
No! Shit!
No! Look what she did. She broke my screwdriver.
Fuck. Oh my god, that looks so...
All these little bitty bitches my chillins. And mama, don't worry, you raised a gangster. I'm a survivor. It hurt me.
Bruh, I can just... Alright, it cut out. Nobody told me how to start a bike, so I'm like sitting here like... Yeah, that's not how you start. You need to undo yourself. You're so tight. Hell yeah. So the train isn't moving and I'm about to go see this cute guy that's in front of me. Hi, cutie.
What's up? Oh my god.
Alright. So literally, you know what's funny? All I had to do is just and then put the key somewhere. I wanted to shoot the bike, the pretty baby. Ah, so the headlights. I'm gonna order tonight. Headlights. Radiator on the way. The undercarriage fairing part on the way. I'm gonna change these because I have extra wheel one things. Yeah. My gas tank is still over there because I need to get a new hose. So I just kind of left it over there with the under piece, the broken one. Windshield. So slow and has a body kit on it. Bro, I'm weak. Yo, I just realized nobody in the shop. I get to have my own music.
That's the sound of old man.
I love how I'm just driving and my freaking mirror just falls off. Like, hold on, let me grab it. Where did it fall to? Fuck, it's like far. Alright, yo. Why is my mirror here? My mirror should not be here. What the fuck?
Video. Okay, this is the easy one. Why do you have to